Still some nice color out there. Here's some autumn colors we've seen from Ivy Road out toward the Northridge area. Lori Wright captured that. Of course, days like this helps to bring those leaves quickly off the trees. So enjoy the fall foliage while we can. Here we are on this Friday evening, Halloween, looking off to the southwest as the sun's on its way down. Now setting at 6:15. Of course, we are in fallback weekend. So that means the sun will be down by 5:13 on Sunday. Let's see what's ahead for this Halloween evening. Temperatures currently are in the mid to upper 50s across central Virginia, already some lower 50s across the Shenandoah Valley. As we take a look at those winds, that has been the story today. Easily gusts of 20 to 35 miles an hour. We've had some gusts along the ridge tops, 40 to 50 plus miles an hour. The wind advisory that was in effect earlier in the day for the Blue Ridge Mountains was allowed to expire at 2 o'clock. Now, these are forecasted winds going into this evening, so it's still noticeable, 10, 15 plus miles an hour, but slowly those wind speeds will begin to back down as we head into the overnight period. Shall we knock? Let's see what's ahead. So temperatures will continue to fall from the 50s into the 40s here. So ghoulishly cool, still holding on to that eerily breeze for trick-or-treaters tonight. Overnight lows will settle into the mid to upper 30s across the region. And Saturday, temperatures pretty much in the lower 60s. Our average daytime highs in the mid 60s, so not too far off from that. So this weekend will feature daytime highs pretty much in the low 60s. Those overnight lows will be in the 30s to around 40. Mention the time change that will occur early Sunday morning, like it or not. There's a look at the satellite radar combination. Again, a few spillover clouds coming across West Virginia early this morning. Some of those highest ridge tops like Snowshoe and out towards Spruce Knob and Canaan Valley saw a little bit of snow. Broad area of low pressures exiting up into eastern Canada. You can see that counterclockwise circulation. We're on the back edge of that system and high pressure building in from the southwest. So the combination of those two features creating those gusty winds. So there's our cold start in the morning. Temperatures climb out of the 30s. We'll have a mix of sun and clouds during the afternoon, lower 60s. More cloud cover will gather on Sunday. We'll start in the upper 60s to low 40s and then upper 30s to low 40s. And then by Sunday afternoon, numbers in the upper 50s to lower 60s. There will be a front coming through on Sunday. An area of low pressure will organize to our south. Right now, it looks like we won't see too much rain, most of that off to our south and east. But if we do, that's the best chance of any rain in the next 7-day forecast. And real quickly, Melissa is now an extratropical system racing past Newfoundland and headed up into the North Atlantic. So tonight, mostly clear. It's cold. Overnight lows will settle into the 30s. There's a look at the Michael and Sons 7-day forecast. A nice fallback weekend and largely dry into next week. Right now, Election Day on Tuesday could be breezy with daytime highs in the lower 60s. Have a good weekend and have a nice evening.
All right. Happy Halloween, Eric.
Happy Halloween.